project name is water absorbing rod. It has two components. One is the water absorbing rod, the other is the electricity generation using a water wheel. The energy that is produced will light up this street light or poles, and at the same time the water collected in the pot can be used to plant water during off season. Now let us see the various parts in it. And this is a porous material. In this porous material, if water is poured, the water will be collected in the central pipe, and this pipe will deliver water onto the water wheel. Alternatively, we have developed a porous material using a concrete block in which we have used asphalt and cement mixture in a certain proportion. When it is mixed, it becomes a very porous in water seeping, and it will push the water from the roadside to the bottom of the surface, so that the top of the road is always dry. No, off this piece not sir. Now this is how the water is delivered onto the water wheel, and once the wheel is rotating, this is the dynamo part. There is a copper coil and a magnetic material inside that, because of which electricity will be generated.